Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to withdraw USDT from Uphold to Kucoin in 2025. If you're into crypto trading, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly and securely. With the evolving crypto landscape, I'll walk you through the latest steps, including any 2025 updates like enhanced security protocols and potential fee changes. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Kucoin, and that you've verified your identity. It's crucial for security in 2025. Log into your Uphold account using your credentials or two-factor authentication. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and select USDT. You'll see your balance. Double-check it to ensure you have enough to cover withdrawal fees, which might be around 1 to 2% depending on network congestion. Next, head over to Kucoin. Log in there and go to your deposit page. For USDT, you'll likely use the TRC20 or ERC20 network. Check Kucoin's recommendations for the fastest and cheapest option in 2025. Copy your Kucoin USDT deposit address. It's usually a long string of characters, so be extra careful to avoid typos. Now, back on Uphold, click on the withdraw option for USDT. Paste the Kucoin address into the recipient field. Specify the amount you want to transfer, and select the network that matches what Kucoin supports. Before you confirm, review everything. Transaction fees could vary based on blockchain updates in 2025. Hit confirm, and you'll get a verification code via email or app. Enter it to finalize the withdrawal. Once the transaction is processed, which might take a few minutes to an hour, check your Kucoin wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. Remember, always keep an eye on gas fees and use hardware wallets for larger amounts to stay safe from hacks. That's it, you've successfully withdrawn USDT from Uphold to Kucoin. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.